Hi everyone, welcome back to Gateway Law Firm's YouTube channel. My name is Ghibaudy, immigration attorney, and I am here to help you navigate the US complexities in immigration matter. So today we'll be discussing a visa named EB-2 visa, more specifically National Interest Waiver. Let's dive into what it is this kind of visa, what are its benefits, and how it could help you to achieve your immigration goals. National Interest Waiver EB-2 visa is an employer-based visa, second preference visa for individuals with either an advanced degree or exceptional ability in their field. Normally, to get an EB-2 visa, you need a job offer from a U.S. employer and also to go through a process named a labor certification that is done in front of the Department of Labor, where the employer needs to prove that he cannot find a qualified worker in the U.S., a legal permanent resident or a U.S. citizen that is available to do that job. That is the process through the labor certification. So, however, the National Interest Waiver, or NIW, allows you to skip both of these steps, of these requirements, the job offer requirement and the labor certification requirement. This waiver allows you to self-petition, to petition by yourself. You don't need a petitioner, you can petition yourself. And if you can show that your work is in the national interest of the United States, you can self-petition. Essentially, if your work benefits the U.S. as a whole, whether it's in science, technology, education, health, or another important field, you can apply for the EB-2 visa without needing a sponsoring employer. So what do you need to apply for an EB-2 visa national interest waiver? Well, you need three criteria, three requirements that you must meet, and they are known as the Dana-Sar framework. Dana-Sar was an important milestone decision from the Immigration Court, and those criteria are based on that decision. The first is named substantial merit and national importance. That means that you must show that this work you're gonna do has a significant value and impacts an important area in the interest of the US. This could be areas like business, science, health, or technology. The second prong is that you need to be well positioned to advance the proposed endeavor. You need to demonstrate that you are capable of successfully carrying out the work that you propose. This is where you highlight your qualifications, your past achievements, and any resources that you have to support that you can carry out the project that you have or your work. The third prong is a balancing test, which means that you have to show that granting you your waiver would benefit the US more than requiring you to go through all the standard labor certification process. Essentially, you're arguing that your contributions to this country outweigh the need to prioritize hiring US workers. So meeting these criteria can be challenging, but for the right individuals, this National Interest Waiver visa is a powerful path to get a green card and not needing a job offer or employer sponsorship. Now let's talk about the benefits of the National Visa Waiver. The first step is that you don't need a job offer. As I mentioned before, you don't need a job offer from a US employer, so you can self-petition, and that give you much more flexibility in terms of your career path, or your location in the US. The second is that you skip the labor certification. The labor certification process can be time-consuming and a little costly, and skipping that step is a major advantage. You also have a path to permanent residency. Like other employment-based visas, the EB-2 National Interest Waiver leads to a green card that provides you with a permanent resident in the United States and the ability to work, to live, and travel safely. Flexibility in employment is another advantage. Since you don't need a specific job offer, you have more freedom to work in various roles or various industries as long as they align with the work you propose and with the national interest of the US. So these benefits make the National Interest Waiver Visa a very attractive option for these workers, professional workers with exceptional abilities who want to contribute to the US in a meaningful way. Why is this National Interest Waiver Visa so important for certain professionals and for the US? Well, because this kind of visa opens doors for highly skilled professionals, and these people have the ability to make significant contributions to the country, whether it is through groundbreaking research, innovations in technology, improving public health. These contributions drive the US progress and makes the country more competitive. So for you, the National Interest Waiver Visa can be a game changer. If you are at the forefront of your field and you want to live and work in the US, the EB-2 National Interest Visa gives you a direct path to a permanent residency, to get a green card, without needing a job offer or without needing to go through a labor certification process. So it's especially important for entrepreneurs, researchers, and independent professionals that might not fit into a traditional visa. This is a great option for you if you qualify in this criteria. Okay, that wraps up our introduction to the EB-2 Visa National Interest Waiver. If you feel that your work can qualify, or if you have any questions regarding the National Interest Waiver Visa, feel free to reach out to Gateway Law Firm. We are here to help you every step of the way. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these, for tips for success, and for the latest information regarding immigration. If you have any questions, so drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I look forward for seeing you in the next video. Bye!